Hello, traders. FS Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 28th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar CAD, I think this is impulsive. I think it's either an A or a 1. I think this is 5 waves up, but I think it's a motive wave correction for either a B or a 2. That means we're either going to go down, make a wave C, which I believe would go down to this area before it continues back up, or it's possibly going to be a wave 3, and if that's the case, it would go down here, make a 3, make a 4, and eventually make a wave 5. Either scenario, we really don't have to know the difference as of right now in this pattern, because either way, it's going to continue down for quite some time, I believe. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think this is the end of a wave 5. I think we just had 3 waves of the wave 5, which definitely does happen, especially in a wave 5 and possibly in a wave 1, which means that this move down, I think, is going to be the continuation of the downtrend. I believe it's going to continue to drift down in the coming weeks to either make that wave C or that wave 3. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I do have my projections for a possible wave C here, just in case, because if it does go down inside this box and then make a big engulfing move to the upside, we're going to know that this is an A, B, C correction, and then we'll be able to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. But I actually think that that's probably not the case. I think it might make a little bit of a bounce here, but I think it's going to continue down and keep on going down. This is going to be a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, and a wave 5. So let's keep all this in mind. Let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, we did just pierce this box a little bit, so that is a pretty good sign. For me, I wouldn't believe that this is the end of a wave C unless it went up and took out structure in a big way like that. Until something like this happens, I would definitely be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. I think it's more likely to continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on trending down, which is why I am for sure primarily looking for shorts in a downtrend. So going down to that 1 hour time frame, like I said, we do have a little bit of a bounce, and to me, it does kind of look like the US dollar could make a little bit of a move to the upside today, which would probably cause this to go up also. But I would assume that this is just going to be another three-way pattern. 1, 2, 3 up, 1, 2, 3 up. Even 1, 2, 3 up here, even back here, 1, 2, 3 up. So I'm continuing to look for three-wave counter trend moves to go short for the continuation of this downtrend, at least until we get a significant break of structure to the upside on the 4 hour time frame and up. I am for sure looking for sells on these shorter time frames at the end of ABC corrections. Like I said, we're either in a wave 3 or a wave C right now on like the weekly and the monthly time frame, which either way I think we have a lot of downside potential. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.